First I will go over here and drag and drop this cracked paint texture over here. After that I will go to layers and change its blend mode to multiply. After that I will position it on the face properly. Then go to layers and create a mask on it. And then I will mask it from the left side of the face and all the extra areas. I will also mask it out from the eyes and the lips. Now go to the layers again and create a levels adjustment layer over here. Simply move it to the right a little. Go to the layers again and clip it down. And this is how you can easily create a cracked skin effect in Photoshop. I hope you guys like